Hey there, in this video, I will show you exactly how to post on CapCut. First, go to the CapCut app in your mobile device. Once you're in, first you need to select a template, so open New Project. Select a template that you want to upload from your gallery. Then tap on Next to add it. Once your template is on Timeline, remove the logo of CapCut from the last. You can edit this template by using different options given below. Once you're done, tap on this arrow from the top right corner. Wait for it to be exported. If you are a template creator, there should be an option to post on CapCut right below the TikTok option by selecting which you can post your template. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.